Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a wee project I've carried out today while I've been out in the woods, and it has turned my Condor pterosaur into a neck knife. And it's there. So it comes with a belt loop here which slides on and off. And it's there. I've just removed that to help me make it a bit lighter when carrying the sheath round my neck. And what I did was, you can see these two drainage holes at the bottom here. It comes with that as standard, but I had to increase the size of the holes, and I used the awl from the old Swiss Army knife there. Just increased it slightly, enough just so I could squeeze through the paracord. And also at the top, what I've done is put a small lanyard on here. So this small lanyard at the top here is just to assist me pulling the knife out of the sheath while it's hanging around my neck. I don't really like using lanyards, I find they get caught up in equipment. But I'll give this a try and see how I get on with that. But there we go, it's just a wee project I've carried out today. And I just taken a lighter to the paracord there and burnt it and made it and secured it to the knot. So this is what the knife looks like going round the neck. So it's nice and comfortable. And you can see this small knot here at the bottom just assists me when it comes to tugging the knife out, as it's still really quite stiff in the sheath. So just let it catch here at the bottom, squeeze with the forefinger and the thumb, and there we go. So that really does help in removing the knife from the sheath. This might wear off through time, but I think this is going to be a really good neck knife. It seems to be quite comfortable with the weight at the moment for my build. I decided today that I would just turn it into a neck knife, just to assist me further when I'm out doing small bushcraft tasks. There you go, and just hangs like that. So I'll let you know how I get on over the next couple of months with it, and to see if it's going to pass the test as a neck knife. But it feels quite comfortable at the moment, and I can still put the belt loop back on and turn it back into a belt style carry knife if I want. Give me some feedback and let us know what you think. So please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Thanks again for coming along to the channel. Cheers.